Is your face starting to look like it's more tired and less lifted lately? It's so easy to think it's just aging, but it's also stress, tension, and disconnection from our bodies. So, today I'm going to show you some simple practices that you can do to really start connecting with your skin and your face again. So, let's get started. So before we do anything, we want to start by connecting and softening our face. We hold so much tension in our face. So we're going to start by taking our hands here, gently pressing them, holding them on to the whole temple area and forehead area here. Close your eyes if you want and take a nice deep breath. Just imagining your forehead softening here, your eyes softening. Nice deep breaths. Now moving down to our cheek area. Hold your hands here in your cheek area. Really connect with your face. Nice deep breaths. Feel that warmth on your face from your hands. Going down to the jaw area here. Focusing on releasing the tension in our jaw area and our neck area. We don't realize how much tension we hold in our face. So this is such a simple practice to just feel into your skin and your face, connecting with your face. Wonderful. Now relax your shoulders, relax your neck area, and you're probably going to feel your face is feeling a little bit more soft now. So we're going to take our fingers here, pointy fingers. This is an amazing acupressure point. You want to place your fingers right here in the jawline area here, right above it. Take a nice deep breath. Hold here, medium pressure. This is going to help release any jaw tension. Remember to breathe deeply. It's going to boost the circulation in this area, helping to calm the mind, calm the whole lower part of your face. Take your time here. Wonderful. Next, take your fingers again, glide them all the way out to the ears, from the center of the face, all the way out. Taking the fingers, gliding all the way down. Nice deep breaths. Next, take your fingers, place them behind the ear and in front of the ear. Now glide all the way down, all the way up and down like this. This is really wonderful for calming that nervous system. Remember, nice deep breaths. Close your eyes if you want. So often we are so focused on these facial movements and exercises that can be so wonderful, but we also forget about a huge component, which is really calming the mind, calming the nervous system, and really letting that face and our fingers and our hands to connect with our face and our bodies. Breathing deeply. Wonderful. So I'm going to just end by tapping on our chest area here. Remember, you can keep coming back to this video at any point when you feel the need. Wonderful. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you like this video, you might want to check out my other video here where we're doing a little bit more on work on the jawline. So see you in the next one.